Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about some dinosaurs and about the ecosystem before you guys go to the Natural History Museum. So let's start. The first part is the timeline of Earth. So the chart on the left is the timeline of the Earth. If you look at the bottom of the picture, bottom of the chart, it says the formation of the Earth. It means that the Earth was made about 4.5 billion years ago. It was a long, long time ago. If you move up, you can see some bacteria and algae. So some bacteria and algae were the first organism or the first living things that lived on Earth. Can you find humans in this chart? Humans are right here at the top of the chart. Scientists think that humans were first born 1.8 million years ago. 1.8 million years ago was a long, long time ago, but when we compare to the formation of the Earth, humans are living for a very short period. Also, you can see some dinosaurs in this chart too. So next, we are going to talk about the dinosaurs. There are mainly three facts about dinosaurs. One is that humans and dinosaurs never lived together. Dinosaurs lived about 135 million years ago. I told you that humans were first born 1.8 million years ago. However, dinosaurs were first born 135 million years ago. It means that dinosaurs were first born and extincted even before humans were first born. If you think of now, we don't have dinosaurs. We cannot meet dinosaurs in real life. We can go to the museum and look at their bones, but we cannot see a living dinosaur in our life. That is because dinosaurs are disappeared or extincted. It is because dinosaurs are extincted. It means that they are all dead. They are not living anymore. The second fact is that there are more than 500 species. Species means the type of dinosaurs. The species of dinosaurs could be found by their bones. So scientists look at their bones and can differentiate. They can find out, oh, this dinosaur has these kind of bones, and those dinosaurs have those kind of bones. So by looking at their bones, scientists can find the different species of the dinosaurs. And until now, scientists have found more than 500 species. The third fact about the dinosaurs is that they all have different characteristics. Some dinosaurs are big, some dinosaurs are small. Some dinosaurs fly, some do not. Some dinosaurs have long necks, some dinosaurs have short necks. Some dinosaurs are carnivores, they eat meat. Some dinosaurs are herbivores. They eat plants. So, depending on their species, they all have different characteristics. So, let's think about it. Why are dinosaurs gone? Dinosaurs are very big and powerful. They are very strong. Then, how did the powerful and strong animals disappear? So there are two theories. A theory means a guess that scientists make. We do not know the exact answer because it had happened long time ago, even before when the humans were born. So the scientists made a guess. So the first theory, or the first guess, is that the dinosaurs are extincted because of the asteroid or comet from outer space. Asteroids and comets are big rocks that rotate and move around at the outer space. So if those big rocks collide to the Earth, if they fall to the Earth, there will be a big explosion. Some scientists think that those collisions had made the dinosaurs gone. Another theory is the enormous volcanic activity. We still have volcanoes all around the world, but there might have been a big, enormous volcanic activity that influenced the whole Earth. Dinosaurs might have had extincted after the enormous volcanic activity. We do not know what exactly happened, what actually happened. However, these are the two theories that the scientists had found out. What do you support? What do you believe it is right? Think about your own opinions. The last part is about the ecosystem. The ecosystem is where all living things coexist. It means that they live together. Ecosystem includes living things and non-living things. So living things are animals, insects, and plants. Non-living things are water, rocks, or soil. The living things and non-living things need each other to survive. If there are no animals, plants will not be able to spread their seeds. If there are no insects, animals lose their food. Also, plants cannot spread their seeds. When plants are gone, animals and insects lose their food and also the place to live. That way, they help each other and live together. So today we have talked about the dinosaurs and the ecosystems. If you have any unclear points, please watch the video once again, and I hope you enjoy the Natural History Museum. Bye-bye.